Sheikh, I asked you this question earlier, but I didn't understand your answer. I want to clarify. I want you to explain in detail that if somebody does sin while he knows that it is a sin, but it doesn't, but he was unaware of the fact that it was kufr. So, will he be a kafir because he did sin while knowing it's haram?
I answered you in a very prolonged answer. You can watch yesterday's episode and you will find out. Why would I repeat myself like a parrot? The answer in short is, if a person did a sin, he's sinful. If it was kufr and he did not know it was kufr, he's still sinful for the sin. Had he known it was kufr, he would not committed it. And Allah Azza wa Jal would not hold you accountable for something you did not know the ruling of. You knew it was haram, you'll be held accountable for its haram, not for it being kufr.